Now we are trying to go inside metro. Here you can see when you press your card. Now you can go in. So here is access to the train. It is a bit complicated and you still have to go down. And this is so deep. It's very deep metro. I think more deeper than some parts in Stockholm. We still have to check if we will be on the right direction or not. If you are planning to travel to Istanbul, take your time and pause the video, read the metro map that I have shown you in the previous one, and spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. The more time you spend, the better you will behave. So right now we have to go towards this part, and I think it's this direction. सही क्या है ना? So somewhere here I think the metro train will appear. This is first time we are sitting in this underground metro. Let's go here. One train is coming within 1 minute and the next one is coming within 7 minutes. Here you read that. And now I can hear the noise.
Gelecek tren 8 araçlıdır. Peronda bulunan kırmızı bölgelerden trene daha rahat binebilirsiniz.
So here it comes.
Lütfen dikkat. Can güvenliğiniz için peronlarda bulunan sarı çizgiyi geçmeniz ve her ne sebeple olursunuz var hattına gitmeniz. Attention please. For your own safety.
So now we are inside the metro. Here is the map again. Here you can also see that in the metro they have electronic indication where you are right now inside the metro and where it is going. And we are probably going out on Taksim. This is very near. Maybe we should go ahead and then come back. A boy is also making a music, and you see here how does it looks like. So right now we are crossing the canal that is coming out from the sea. इस sea का नाम क्या है? So on this side is like this, and this station is on top of a sea. ये क्यों है? Why this station is on top of sea? So this is the beautiful Istanbul. You can see all the mosques, they look similar when it comes to Minar. This is also jogging track. We are thinking now just
Gelecek istasyon.
don't just get out at
Next station. Şişhane.
Taksim. So then this station is Shishine or something, but the next is Taksim, and but we are thinking let's go ahead. Maybe go to further ahead and then come back. So next station is Taksim. We thought we should get out at Taksim, but now we will not. We will try to go ahead.
Kart. Osman Bey.
Osman Bey. So name of this station is Osman Bey. This is also from the particular drama series.
Istanbul Metro hattı ve Metrosu hattına geçmek için.
So the previous station was Usman Bey, Usman Soldier, the popular drama series Usman, that was the same name. And now it is a complicated station. Sicily.
Şişli Mecidiyeköy.
So this top name is 11.